In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update to an amazing AI video generator called Opus Clip. Now, what this does, it takes your long form videos and it reuses them, repurposes them to make basically viral shorts or longer short form videos from your main long form video. And it uses the latest AI technology that it creates behind the scenes. It throws in AI texts, subtitles, AI generated B-roll, and overall it gives you a rating of the video that it generates as well, saying what the score is, why it will go viral, what the hook is, and the reason behind why it thinks that is the case it will go viral. And it is just an amazing tool, and it was one of the first videos that I actually made for the channel. And again, there's been so much more added to it. I want to make a really quick update to that video showing you what the latest tools that have been added to it basically and what you can now utilize it for. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and go straight onto my laptop. This is the Opus Clip main website. So no, I am already logged in myself, but this is the equivalent of the homepage. If you scroll down, it shows you all the different things that it does: auto reframe, auto captions. These are all the different people who have used it, companies, content creators, and you can tell it's gone really, really viral over the last year, and rightly so. It is a phenomenal piece of software. The way this works is you will take your long form video. I've already got one saved, so if we just go here, you'll see as well, which is good, you can see Pro Plan supports different video links of YouTube, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StreamYard. And it's added a lot more since I first made that video about it a while back. So if we go here and we press paste, and then straight away you can see this is the last video I uploaded. It's about Virality AI. You should totally watch that video. You have two different options now. You have my templates or caption presets. So my templates could be the ones that you've custom made, or just different variety of ones, that you've basically custom made. I haven't, so we're gonna go back to caption presets, but it just shows you as you scroll along what each one looks like, the different style, what you want it to be like, and you get the idea. Hermosi style ones, and on like that. And as you go down again, you get the genre of video. So here is a new thing that's been added to it. So what this does now, it gives you a little bit more manual control to go in there and say, is it a podcast? Is it, the fact that it even gives you the choice of doing a vlog. Originally it didn't even do vlogs, it only did sort of talking videos like this. So it has really come a long way. So for that type of one, it's a how-to video. And then you can say, for example, do you want it to use the whole length of the video or to save credits? You could maybe go from 1 minute to 10 minutes and you save that length of time. Then here again, auto, which it basically will pick a proportion time of the video, 30 seconds up to 3 minutes. It varies depending what the AI thinks will make the best AI viral video for you short. Or you can go in and you can say, I want you to make 30 seconds, 30 to 60, and then you have the beta down here, 3 to 5, 5 to 10. And that's something I haven't personally used because I don't really make any clips like that. For example though, if maybe you had a podcast, you could go in there and say extract 5 to 10 minutes of a clip and make it go viral for me. Choose it, tell me why you chose it and why you think that works well. And then you can add any keywords in to basically allow the AI to specifically hone in on what you want. Then if we go back up, you also have the section of only add captions without clipping. So basically without cutting any of your actual video, it will just choose a section, say from 30 seconds to a minute, and it won't cut any of that and splice it together. It will literally use that section of the video and it will just add captions to it instead. And then you can just see what it says there. So if you just scroll down a little bit here, you can see all projects. And then these are 2 videos that I've loaded recently, literally just before making this video, just again for the space of time. This is one about audio music. And straight away, number 1, it gives you the title, AI generated lyrics, the future of music creation. And it gives it an A-. It tells you why. I mean, again, I'm not gonna read through it. Pause the video and you can read through each section. But again, the fact that AI is giving you these reasons behind it is just incredible. And what's really nice also, you can go in and edit the clip online. So it has an online built-in editor, which I'll show you in a minute. You can download the clip as it is in a HD format, which is great. Or you can download it as a Premiere Pro save file or a relevant one. And then you can take that save file, put it into your video editor. So for me, it'd be Premiere Pro, and you can edit it in the actual editor instead if that's your preference, add whatever effects or whatever you want to it. Or you can go in here and you can just share it. And what's really nice here, you see it brings up scheduled posts. So you can straight from here, instead of having to download it and upload it to X, upload it to YouTube, you can go in there, click on all platforms, and you see you get all these different ones where you can schedule it to go on YouTube, Instagram Business, TikTok, Instagram Business, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and it's really good. You know what, actually, let's just use this one for example. The future of music industry adapting to Spanish competition. Very interesting, don't know if it's gonna be any good or not, but it recommends it. Gives the trend a B, why has it done that? The video somewhat touches on the pressures in the music industry, but could align better with trending topics such as AI in music creation for greater relevance. That's quite interesting, but it's just done that. Now, compared to the old video, you'll see how all of this has completely changed. The editor is a lot more cleaner, a lot more enhanced and user-friendly, especially as a video editor as well. I can just see the timeline, have the audio right there. It's instantly just a lot friendlier and less clunky to go through the menus and play around with it. So for example, let's just see what it looks like. Let's just press play. You can change how the voice sounds. It even sings in Spanish, which I didn't even know. So you can just see there's that much more competition and pressure coming into the industry. And already in the music industry, there is a lot of pressure. There isn't a lot of people really making money these days from music themselves. So, you know, I just don't see it from that element how it's going to help them. I think that's actually pretty nice, pretty not bad at all. So here we have auto B-roll. Automatically add B-roll to your video. Yes, please. Let's see what it does to make it more interactive for the 21-second clip it is. And we can add stock B-roll, or we can AI generated B-roll. Got to do AI generated B-roll. It is an AI channel after all. I'm related. So I think that is really, really nice. And whilst it's loading right there, you can see it's doing its thing. I don't know how long it will take. We can have a look at these drop-down menus here. So you clip layout, we can do one by one. Again, what I love about this as well, the one thing that I really didn't like the last time about this, I found it really clunky to use stuff like this. It wasn't user-friendly. And you see now, you can just move it around. It's a lot more snappier. It has that. If you want to crop it, yeah, okay. This before was such a pain because it was just so hard to do it and it was buggy. I actually am a massive fan of doing this. So yeah, let's just, I don't know, let's go like that. I'm centered there. If you want to go wide, it does that. I'm really impressed, I have to say. We can have captions, select preset. Do we want one line or three? You know what? I want it to be middle, and then I want it to be, select a preset. Let's have a look. Let's do pod P, I like that. And then I want that again, middle, pod P, middle, and then we can go down, animation. I mean, we have so much to go. Let's do bounce, that sounds pretty cool. And then, yeah, I like that. And then again, you can play around with all the font, uppercase, as typed, and you just have a lot more manual control. But for me, just for this example, I'm happy with how it looks. And then it's added the B-roll in there as well. So let's just go across to it, see what that looks like. Pressure coming into the industry, and already in the music industry, there is a lot of pressure. There isn't a lot of people really making money these days from music themselves. So, you know, I just don't. Okay, the AI B-roll, generated B-roll as well, though it is just like pictures, static pictures with it zooming in. Before, when you were adding the B-roll, it wasn't really relevant to the subject matter of the video. A lot of the time, if I was talking about cats, it would show me a tree, for example. It just has no correlation whatsoever. So, you know, it's come a long way. Let's have a quick look what else there is. If we drop down this menu, and then AI keyword highlighter. I think what that actually does, it makes some of the words stand out more in the AI where it has an important point on the caption. It will make it stand out a little bit more, and then you can choose that color preference. There isn't a lot of people really making money these days from that's really cool. Themselves. So, you know, I really do like that. And then AI emojis. So what that basically will do is add emojis to certain points of the captions, I guess. Okay, so for this example, it hasn't added in the emojis. But again, you get the idea. You can remove certain words if you don't like them here. So if we just said, you know, remove caption, add AI B-roll there, add an emoji. Let's add an emoji, let's have a look. Smiley face, because I just want one there. So if we go there in the timeline, then press play. There is a lot of people really making money these days from music themselves. See, so it just adds it in. So obviously you could make that look a lot better, line it up and what have you, but that's the example right there. So I'm gonna press save changes, and the time of loading these, granted this is only 21 seconds, is a lot faster as well. So you can see they have really upped the user experience here a lot. It's just incredible to see how far it has come in roughly about a year from when I made the last video about it. So go out there, use it. It is free to use to an extent. I still believe if you use it for free, you can play around with it. If you download the video, it'll have a watermark on it. When you pay to use it, there are different tiers of how many hours or packages you get. But again, have a look at it. Across the board with all these AI products now, it's pretty much either you get a monthly usage fee, whether that's hours, tokens, you can top it up, do anything like that, but it's pretty much across the board all the same. If you are a shorts creator, you have a shorts channel, or you have a channel like mine and you want to start making shorts and playing around with it, I think these are making a lot more higher quality shorts now. As a tool, it is really great and I do recommend it for that use case scenario. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Go and have a look. There's a link down below to Opus Clip, and if you do sign up to it, it is an affiliate link, and all money generated by that goes directly straight back into the channel. That money will then go on to trying out new AI tech, new AI tools, and reviewing them and making videos like this to show you. So other than that, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.